Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our One Spot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the words Spot Media. Emotions were high as Jamaicans affected by Hurricane Irma in St. Martin reunited with their families today. They arrived in the island this morning, as TVJ's Anthony Lugg now reports.
I can tell you because I was there.
A reunion at the Norman Manley International Airport on Saturday morning. These people are Jamaicans returning from hurricane-ravaged St. Martin, sharing a moment with relatives. They've returned on a chartered flight sent by the Jamaican government. According to the returning residents, words cannot be used to explain the ordeal. They also describe the damage to the island as extensive.
Everything gone, the shelter, people have to run out the hotel falling down. There is nowhere to shelter because it didn't come with a demon. It come to rule, it's a tornado. It fling with baby in the ocean, it fling with the big people in the ocean. Some people cannot find a baby, no one. Yeah, it's very terrible.
The Martin ricochet, I would never want anybody to experience this in their lifetime.
Tears filled 8-year-old Josiah Taylor's eyes as he hugged his mother for the first time in 3 years. He was with his father in St. Martin through the Category 5 hurricane.
Oh, this is all I have left. Oh God, I know God. Trust me, I know God was gonna bring back this child to me. I have sleepless night. I don't cook because when I try to cook, I don't know if my child eats.
Kate Brown was in St. Martin through it all and says her only thought was survival.
Water. We have to ask for water. If you have 5 families, 2 bottles of water for the house. It's terrible. Flies taking up where we not die. We have to move, can fly. Every fly pitching it.
Now, as the residents attempt to put the pieces together, with many indicating uncertainty as to how long they intend to stay in Jamaica, Ms. Brown thanked the government and made this plea.
I thank Michael Andrew Ollis that you could send a plane to reach out for all your Jamaican people, but we need help in the country because more children are there. Some people don't catch the flight because it's only 30 of us catch the flight. But some make it, some don't make it. But if you can reach out for your people, we need help. We need help in St. Martin.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.